This weird creature might just be the best living explorer in the universe.
Took him into space, put him on a satellite, opened up the door, set him outside, exposed him to extreme temperatures, vacuum, right? Hot, cold.
Huge radiation.
And they come back alive.
This is the tardigrade, often called the water bear. And they might even hold clues as to whether life on Earth arrived from outer space. So what is a tardigrade? They're aquatic, microscopic animals, barely visible to the naked eye, as they're transparent and only about 1 millimeter long. So why are these moss piglets the ultimate space explorers? Well, despite being water-dwelling creatures, they have a special process of morphing or adapting to hostile surroundings, like radiation or freezing temperatures. By drying themselves out, they can cope with all kinds of nasty conditions.
As that sample jar starts to dry out, as that specimen starts to dry out, what's cool about these guys is they can survive that extreme desiccation, drying down to like a crispy little booger.
It's called a ton. They roll up into a special, tight ball, essentially, like a roly-poly bug almost, and then go through a series of radical chemical changes in the cells in their bodies to deal with this loss of water.
Being in a ton form, tardigrades are as far from alive as you can be. But give them a splash of water and they spring back to life. So they can survive the most extreme conditions on Earth. But what about in space? Byron and his colleague Carl took them on a special outing to the International Space Station.
Took him into space, put him on a satellite, opened up the door, set him outside, exposed him to extreme temperatures, vacuum, right? Hot, cold.
Huge radiation. And then when they brought him back to Earth, they did what you're seeing here. They dumped some water on them, see if they actually reanimate.
Voila. They take the water up, man, and they start, right? They swap it out the molecules and like a machine, man. You add the water to it, they take them up, cells start to do their thing again, and they come back alive.